I'm Ann Fullerton, Professor Emeritus in Special Education from the College of Education at Portland State University. My research has focused on young adults and adolescents with disabilities, particularly in creating inclusive educational and employment programs for our youth, and on developing ways to support their own self-determination and growth toward independence for their adulthood. We have a long history of segregating people with disabilities. We've barred them from the same opportunities the rest of us have for education and employment. We're changing that. At Portland State, we've started a new program, the first of its kind in Oregon, for students with intellectual disabilities to go to college and work with the rest of us in the inclusive workplace. In 2016, we created at Portland State the Career and Community Studies Undergraduate Certificate. That year, the PSU Faculty Senate voted for this to be a certificate like any other at Portland State. The certificate has three parts: academics, employment, and campus life. In the area of academics, students have an individual learning plan that they follow to show that they understand the critical concepts in a course. They attend courses with all other PSU students. They receive coaching to have added support to master the course. In the area of employment, every student works all 4 years of the program. They often start in jobs on campus like other PSU students, but by their junior or senior year, they're moving to a job off campus in the area that interests them for their future career. And then in the area of campus life, they have peer navigators, other PSU students, that help them explore all of our student organizations, our arts, and our recreation activities. I'm inspired to do this work by truly creating social change for people with disabilities. You know, you don't know what somebody can do unless you give them the opportunity. These students are students that Portland State should be very proud of. My name is Ann Fullerton, and our research has demonstrated PSU's inclusivity by creating a program where students with intellectual disabilities attend college and work with the rest of us.